Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 76 for beginners. Upon exiting Vault 76, your journey in post-nuclear Appalachia begins. You'll immediately notice the expansive, persistent online world. Start by customizing your character, selecting their appearance and initial S, P, E, C, I, A, L attributes. Familiarize yourself with the basic controls for movement, combat, and interacting with the environment. Your first steps involve following the main quest line, which acts as a comprehensive tutorial, guiding you through the initial challenges and mechanics of the game. Survival in the wasteland demands constant vigilance. Always keep an eye on your hunger and thirst meters. Neglecting them can lead to significant health penalties. Scavenge diligently for food, purified water, and various chems to keep your character in top condition. Combat is frequent, so learn to target enemy weak points and utilize different weapon types. Remember to repair your weapons and armor often at workbenches to ensure they perform optimally. Managing your inventory weight is also crucial to avoid becoming overencumbered. The CAMP system is your mobile construction and assembly platform, allowing you to build a personal base almost anywhere in the world. This is vital for crafting, storing items, and resting. Gather resources like wood, steel, and plastic to craft new weapons, armor, and aid items at workbenches. As you level up, you'll earn perk cards, which are crucial for customizing your character's abilities and playstyle. Experiment with different card combinations to find what best suits your approach to the wasteland. Appalachia is vast and full of secrets. Engage with the main quest line to unravel the compelling narrative and discover the fate of the region. Beyond the main story, numerous side quests offer unique challenges and valuable rewards. Public events are dynamic, timed activities that encourage players to work together, offering excellent experience and rare loot. Don't hesitate to team up with other players. Cooperation makes difficult encounters easier and enhances the overall experience, whether you're exploring or tackling a challenging boss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.